Okay, so I have a slime, and it's so cool, and I have some visitors around, so sorry for the background sound, but I don't have any place to film while I make videos. And I will have a slime review, so you guys might be wondering, why are you filming with some visitors? Like, why don't you play with your visitors? Or, like, it's been like 4 o'clock a while ago. They came 4 o'clock, and it's 10 o'clock, so I can play. And they're eating, and I'm done eating, so yeah. And they're basically something. So I would wonder that, yeah. And this one, this slime, like, it won't last forever. Like, it won't last tomorrow, maybe. Maybe it will dry or some sort of stuff. So yeah, I'm just playing with it. So, you can see, it's like pearl slime. It's pearlish color. It's kind of dirty, so, because I kept playing with it. And it's stretchy and sticky and stuff. So, yeah. Yep. It's kind of like a brown. Sorry if my nails are long already, because I want to try to make some nail videos and stuff that would be perfect, because I have small nails though. Like this one, I can make some nail stuff, but it's dirty because of the detergent and stuff. So, here, yeah, bye.